Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you on how to animate your photos using AI. It is easier than you think, and we're going to show you step by step how to do it. We will be using the incredible Nero AI Image Upscaler for this demonstration. So, let's get started. First, make sure you are logged in to your Nero account. This step is essential to ensure a smooth experience and access all the amazing features Nero has to offer. If you happen to be feeling a tad uncertain about the whole account creation or login procedure, there's absolutely no need to fret. We've gone the extra mile to ensure you are well taken care of, providing an in-depth video guide that will walk you through every single detail of how to get started with Nero Image Upscaler. This fantastic resource can be found right within our video library, where it takes you through the entire process one simple step at a time. Now that you are logged in, let's move on to the exciting part, animating your photos. At the top left corner of your screen, there's a noticeable option labeled Online AI, right next to Mobile AI. To tap into the remarkable capabilities that Nero has in store, such as the exciting ability to breathe life into your pictures, simply click on Online AI. This straightforward action will grant you access to a world of powerful features and creative possibilities. Within the Online AI section, you will find a drop-down menu with various options. For today's demonstration, we are focusing on face animation. Now, let's dive into the process of animating your photos. Begin by uploading the photo you want to animate. It could be a fond memory captured in a single frame, a snapshot of your loved ones, or perhaps a snapshot of nature's beauty frozen in time. After successfully uploading your photo, you'll find yourself with the wonderful freedom to select precisely which face within the image you wish to animate. This feature comes in particularly useful when you have a group of photographs featuring several different faces, allowing you to pinpoint the one you'd like to bring to life with animation. Now, all that is left to do is click on the Start button conveniently located on the right side of the screen, which will initiate the process of animating your photo. It is important to bear in mind that the time it takes for the processing to complete might fluctuate, is usually based on the speed of your internet connection. If your internet connection happens to be on the slower side, this could be attributed to either a surge in website traffic or the general speed of your internet service. And there you have it. The process is now wrapped up. And behold, your photo is transformed, moving and breathing like a video. It is truly awe-inspiring how a once static image can spring to life with just a simple click. If you have more photos you'd like to animate, simply repeat the process. The simplicity and convenience of Nero make it a fantastic tool for turning your memories into lively animations. So, imagine you are absolutely delighted with how your animated photo has turned out and you are eager to have it saved. Well, fret not. All you need to do is to give that download button a gentle click, conveniently positioned on the right-hand side of your screen. Your animated masterpiece will be saved to your device, ready to be shared with friends and family. Nero makes it easy to transform your photos into shareable dynamic content. We genuinely hope that this step-by-step tutorial has proven to be a valuable resource in guiding you through the process of animating your photos with Nero AI Image Upscaler. If you have found this information helpful and are hungry for more fantastic content like this, along with staying in the loop with the most recent advancements in AI tools and techniques, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you will ensure that you are always to the forefront of the exciting developments in the world of AI. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to you for joining us today, taking the time to delve into the wonderful world of breathing life into your photos with the magic of AI. Always keep in mind that the horizons of creativity are boundless, and Nero AI Image Upscaler is your trusted companion on this artistic journey, ready to turn your visions into tangible reality. We look forward to having you with us in our next video.